it. Now hear me, wonderful people. The Bible said, Solomon just a nobody, just a nobody, and because of that, nobody regarded him. Now there are people that are with you not because of you, but because of what you have. Yes. There are people that are with you not because of you, but because of where you are. Yes. There are people that are with you not because of you, but because of what they can get from you. That's right. There are people that are with you not because of you, but because of what they can make out of you. And the very day they start losing things that they can make out of you, you become a nobody to them. That's right. Be very careful of how you open your doors easily to people. Amen. True. Let me tell you these three things for free. I said they are for free. That's what I do. I am a preacher. At the same time, I'm a motivational speaker. When I preach in church, I take offering. When I'm doing a motivational conference, you buy a ticket. But I'm giving it to you for free. There are three shifts in life that everybody, by the virtue of destiny, you cannot do without them. And all these three shifts have only two assignments. Either they are taking you to destination in life, or they are taking you away from your destination. Amen. The number one shift is friendship. Be very careful of who you allow to become your friend. Right. Because if they can't help you become it, they'll help you to break up. Number two is relationship. Yes. The person you fall in relationship with have all that it takes to make or unmake you. Amen. Number three is worship. It is what you worship that determines what you become in life. Yes. Yes. That's right. These three things has made people and have destroyed people. Maybe let me say this. There are 2 days in every day.
Talk, Paragon.
It does not make sense. Yeah. Because you hold a certificate, I hold a spirit. There are 2 days in every day. Within that day, within 1 day, it may be a day of blessing for this one, and maybe a day of curse for this one. That's true. Yeah. That's true. Amen. Sometimes when some people command your day, they think you are joking. We are heading somewhere. Yes. Let me tell you this one too for free. Sometimes, if not, some of you have to, it will cost you buy your flight ticket to come and look for me. Did you know that the day for prayer does not begin at 3? Yes. It begins at 12. At 12, yes.
Talk again, say it again.
When it is 12, it is 00. Yes. So God gives you a blank sheet. Like this. That it is 00. Before it start counting, write whatever you want. Wow. So that I, your God, can provide. My God. Some of you will sleep, say, no, today I woke up early to pray. What time? 2 o'clock. You gave the enemy 2 hours of your destiny to decide. So by the time you are waking up to pray, the enemy has already made a decision for you. On your behalf. I've been told that doctors, they know themselves. Yeah. Doctor tells you all the time, please, you have to sleep 8 hours for a good health. Yeah. Is that not what the doctor said? Yes. So at least you must sleep 8 hours. But you know the same doctor telling you sleep 8 hours is working midnight.
Correct is right.
You know why every child wants to become a doctor? Not because they love the job, but because they love the pay. You sleep 8 hours in a day. The day is 24 hours. You have already slept 1/3 of the day. So if you live up to 60 years and you sleep 8 hours a day, have this at the back of your mind. 20 years of your time you slept. Years you were busy sleeping. 20 years you were sleeping. Life is more dangerous and deadly than you think. Yeah. If you know the things that are happening behind the scenes, you tread carefully.
My God. My God.
Nobody around the kingdom loves Solomon. So when the Lord finally came through for Solomon, they have to come and congratulate him. Now do it for me quickly. Let's finish the word of God and let's pray.
Verse 3. Thou knowest how that David, my father, could not build an house.
Now hear this. When Hiram's message came, David said, I know I have received a lot of messages from a lot of people.
Yes.
But for Hiram in particular, I must answer him. It is not every enemy you must be silent to.